I've never come across or encountered a aggressive kangaroo like this, that wanted to get kind of frisky. So I was very, very grateful for the American tourists that stepped in, because I was screaming and no staff were visible at this time. So I was standing there with his wife, who was actually filming it, and we were actually having a good old giggle. And then it turned quite serious. You can tell from his expressions he was actually getting quite fearful, and he walked away with so many scratches on his arms. I actually saw him washing all his arms off and then, sanitizing them, because he was quite, scratched from this animal. They said, oh, go and see the little baby wallabies. And I said, I'm too terrified. Look at me, I'm shaking. I don't think I'll be visiting any animal parks anytime soon.